Francis, Xavier's dad. And we're gonna cook, what are we gonna cook today?
Chicken nuggets.
Why are we gonna cook chicken nuggets?
Because it's my favorite.
It's his favorite. Well, anyways, we're gonna cook chicken nuggets because it's Xavier's favorite and it's high in protein. Also, we're gonna add milk for additional protein. And first of all, the most important thing, Xavier, is what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do with our hands? What are we gonna do with our hands? We're gonna wash our hands. We're gonna wash our hands properly.
Yeah.
And then we're still moving. And then we're gonna wash the chicken. This chicken was washed earlier. So we're gonna put the milk.
When you wash it earlier.
And ang worth nitong milk is it's to be tender and juicy. Okay? We're gonna open we have to shake it first.
It's also protein.
Yes.
See, it's called protein.
Okay. Half a kilo of chicken and 1 cup of milk.
Yeah.
So Xavier's gonna put the milk. Put the milk. Slowly.
A little bit.
Yeah, all of it.
Oh. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Thank
It's
you.
milk.
And then we're gonna, of course, mix it
Oh, yeah.
Truly.
That's it.
to be sure
Yeah.
that the milk is coated
Yeah.
the chicken. So try it. Xavier. Try to mix it.
That.
Yeah. More.
Okay. That.
Yeah. And after this, we're gonna marinate it for an hour.
It looks like
We're
a
gonna transfer it in a container with a lid.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay. Then we're gonna put it in
Oh,
the
yeah.
refrigerator for at least
Okay.
1 hour.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Can you help me, Xavier?
Okay.
Thank you.
Such a big one.
Slowly. Okay. So after that, we're gonna be back. We're just gonna put this inside the oven. Okay? And we're back,
We're back.
and we finished the marinade,
Yeah.
the chicken.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do?
Cook chicken.
Yeah, we're gonna cook the what do you call this? Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Before we do that, we have to drain the chicken.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna put it in the strainer.
Yeah. Uh oh, it's raining.
Okay. Can you help me, Xavier?
Okay. To keep my friends.
Slowly.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's right down there.
Okay.
Oh,
After
see-
that,
See the finger.
while we're waiting
dropping.
for the chicken to be drained,
Yeah.
we're gonna mix our mixture using, of course, 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
Be careful.
What about this? Half tablespoon of salt.
So
And what about this? Half tablespoon of
it's onion.
it's garlic.
Garlic.
That's good. Almost. And half tablespoon of paprika. Okay. Then we're gonna mix them all together.
Oh,
Xavier, can you help me? Let's put it here.
Ah.
Very good. We're gonna use spoon. How about the salt, Xavier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish we had sweepers.
Good. Put the salt. Okay, put it in. Very good. All of it.
Hello, Sabina.
We're cooking chicken nuggets because prefer this one compare sa
Yeah.
mga frozen na nabibili sa grocery. Kasi this one is healthier, hindi siya na-process
Yeah.
and wala siyang ibang
Oh, it
chemicals or
smells
ingredients.
good.
All natural.
Smells good.
And we're gonna put the pepper.
Can I smell it now?
So we strongly advise.
It's like the pepper.
It's very
It's
easy
like-
to.
It's like the pepper and like the cranberries and some.
Yes. Okay, so can you mix this, Savior? Please,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Like that.
Yes.
Oh, drop.
Yes. Very good.
Yeah.
It's very easy to cook.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Halos lahat ng ingredients is available locally.
Yeah. It's available. Also, you can like download it.
Download it. Make sure na nahalo natin lahat ng ingredients. Diba? Savior? Right? And after na-sure na natin na nahalo natin lahat ng ingredients, we're gonna put the chickens.
Chicken.
Okay, you put the chicken, Savior.
Okay.
Slowly,
And so,
para hindi, kahit pa isa-isa lang, para hindi siya
No,
masyado.
me.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Oh,
After this, Savior, what's next? You're gonna put this. We'll
egg.
be needing at least
Egg.
a piece of egg, or kahit dalawang egg.
No, me, and you.
Here. No. Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
It's a little chicken.
Then,
It's
after
like a
that,
baby chicken.
we're gonna mix
Eh.
this. Okay. Savior, put more chicken, please.
Sing.
And while we're doing that, we're gonna use
Okay.
pan. We're gonna heat the pan. Make sure na mainit na yung
I cannot
pan
open
before.
it. I cannot open it. Can
Make sure na mainit yung pan.
Yeah.
And we will be needing at least a cup
Oh,
of
it's getting hot.
cooking oil.
Yeah.
And don't worry, marami mang gamitin cooking oil. Magagamit pa naman natin uli yung cooking oil. No? Okay. Then after that, can you put the chicken over here? Here?
Yeah.
Here? More?
No, it's just this one.
Yeah, you can use your hand. So, hindi sasama yung... You can use your hand para
Let's use
itap
another
nyo
one.
siya para hindi sasama yung...
Ah.
Inuna natin tong flour para kumapit yung egg sa chicken.
Oh, yeah.
And same thing, after we...
Did we said that last time?
Yes. Make sure coated ng egg.
Yeah.
Okay? And after that, make sure yung chicken natin is coated ng egg. Then, ang purpose po nito is para kumapit yung flavor naman. Meron na siyang coating inside and coating outside. So we're gonna put it back sa flavor natin, sa coat. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay. Savior, can you mix that, please? Yeah, mix
What?
that.
Like this?
Yeah, mix it up.
Like that?
Mhm.
Whoa.
Very good. It's kind of messy, but it's okay. Very good, safe set shaver. Yeah, mix it, mix it. Mix it more. And after that, just make sure na mainit na yung pan natin so we can put the oil.
It's already done.
Okay? So, Savior, we're gonna put the oil na.
Okay. Oh, look at it. It's 25. It's like a water. It's like a swimming pool, like a hot swimming pool.
Since we don't touch it, it's hot. Be careful kids, be careful sa pagluluto. Don't forget na lagi magpapa-assist kay mommy or kay daddy, okay? Because cooking is hot. Yan, dangerous, okay?
Dangerous, yeah. You should never touch it, then you're like,
Yeah. Can you
my
let go,
nose!
okay? I'm just gonna get I'm gonna use this na lang. And kailangan natin ng strainer for that. And we can see na mainit na yung oil kasi may mga bubbles na siyang lumalabas sa gitna. And it's smoking.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? So, Savior, can you do the honor?
Yeah.
Let me put 1, 6,
Just
first.
stick in my nose.
Okay. You put.
Is safe.
Oh, okay. Again, one more.
Is safe.
Medium heat lang po yung apoy ha. Be sure na hindi masusunog yung coating natin before maluto yung inside ng chicken.
Oh my goodness, there's a big
Okay.
bubble. You want more?
Is that enough? Savior, can you check the powder kung meron ba? Is
No.
there more?
No?
Is there more?
No?
Oh, how I wish you can smell it from here. It smells good, right, Savior?
It's precious.
And how will you know na cooked na siya? This is the breast chicken part, so madali lang siyang iluto actually.
Trumpet.
At saka hindi natin siya kailangan sobrang iluto kasi mawawala yung juiciness ng chicken.
Yeah?
Okay?
Are we done or
When it
no?
turns golden brown,
Oh yeah, wait, stay.
that's it.
Oh wait.
Then makikita nyo pagka medyo kukwag din yung mga bubbles na lumalabas
It's not getting hot.
sa chicken.
If then the chicken can smell over there, then
Can you smell it?
oh yeah,
Smells good.
it's turning to like that like the chicken.
Yeah.
And like we're like doing this for some reason.
Do you think, Xavier, this is
We
done?
might touch that more time. I think it smells good.
Almost done. Then we will be needing strainer, of course, para matanggal natin yung ibang oil. That's good. Tama yan. While we're cooking, Chef Xavier is singing. Okay, I think we're done here. Hi. This is the finished product of our chicken nuggets.
And we got
Ketchup. Yes. It's made of tomato and some ingredients. Anyways, this is Xavier's favorite chicken nuggets. Try it at home. It's very simple and it's very healthy. Okay, Xavier, that's it. Say bye-bye to them na.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.